Welcome back. Horrible story out of Philadelphia, really the streets of Philadelphia. You had a group of juveniles, I mean young as 10 years old was the youngest. His brother, 14, was there, some other kids as well. And what they do is they grab a traffic cone and beat to death a 73-year-old man. It's picked up on surveillance video, and the Philadelphia PD put out the video because they wanted to catch these kids, and the 14-year-old and 10-year-old brothers turned themselves in. I want you to take a look at the video that we have again tonight from the Philadelphia PD. It is amazingly heartbreaking. I mean, those kids are young. It's just a group of kids running around the streets, and then they see a 73-year-old man. They decide to beat him to death with a traffic cone. It looks like they were recording it on video as well. So I posted on social media today talking about the 10-year-old. What do we do with that 10-year-old who apparently was part of this group? We begin with our 13th juror comment of the day from Valerie. Says, definitely should be treated as an adult. Things are happening with these young kids. They actually think there will be no consequences in what they do. If they do adult crimes, they should be treated as such. I've said before, discipline starts at home. Rick King, 10 years old. What does our system of justice do with a 10-year-old?
Vinny, and so from my perspective, I'm not comfortable with throwing away 10-year-old kids. I'm just not comfortable with that. And I feel like as a society, in some ways, we've become too comfortable with throwing away people. In Florida, where I am, this is a punishment state. And the object of the criminal justice system is to punish rather than rehabilitate. I think a kid at 10 years old, he's got a lot of time for us to work with this kid and try to make him a productive member of our society. First of all, I'm concerned with the fact that it's 3 o'clock in the morning and these kids are running around the street. That's one of the first concerns that I have. But as for me, a 10-year-old kid, I think that yes, there has to be some accountability and some discipline and some punishment for what happened. But I think the overall objective should be rehabilitation at 10.
Joel tonight, get this kid help, education, and people that actually care for him. And Bremner, your thoughts, 10 years old.
Yeah, I agree with a lot of Rick's sentiments. And in the juvenile system, he may have that. I mean, that's the idea anyway, because if you throw away the key and put him and try him as an adult, which is called a decline hearing, you're basically saying, we're done. We can't help him. We can't do anything. 10 is so young to be in the adult or juvenile system. I don't know that anybody at 10 has been in the adult system. Does he have the capacity to commit a crime? I mean, obviously he committed a very serious crime, but the question is really at his age. I mean, what is that, 6th grade? I don't even know. I don't have kids, but he's extremely young. And the chances of him being tried as an adult, I think, are very slim to none.
Tracy, tonight, they murdered him, adult charges. Michael Sterling, your thoughts?
Yeah, I have to disagree with Tracy, Vinny, and agree more with what Rick said. There's a reason that, for example, the law has to be consistent. There's a reason that someone under a certain age can't consent, for example, to sex, and that's charged a statutory rape. There's a reason that in most states, you don't even, if your parents get a divorce, you don't even have a saying in the child custody hearing unless you're at least 11 years old. And then 14-year-olds get a saying. So there's a reason these things exist. It's because we don't think children have certain capacities, and so we have to be consistent. He needs help. I think we should should get them help and try to rehabilitate them.
Michael Sterling, Ann Bremner, Rick King, amazing again. Thank you so much.